Good morning. Hey, welcome everyone. Good morning, guys. How you doing? Happy Monday times. Morning chat, good evening, good afternoon. Wish you an amazing time. Wish you an amazing week. And a blissful moment, of course. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video so we pick those numbers up. And we got the wheel running. Let's go, guys. Come on. We got an important week. I hope to be moved on live. I got paid from Ticktick Trader $10,000. Funds are deducted from my account. They're going to be on pause. They're going to be set on pause. We cannot trade. They're no longer on pause because I got paid. But they're going to be set on pause at a time. The live onboarding is going to start, which I am assuming it is this week, with the possibility of actually being moved into the final process probably by the end of the week, or certainly this month. That's what I'm expecting. So in the meantime, we're going to trade our Tap1 futures. We have a lot of the accounts there. We have 11 accounts on Tap1 futures that we're going to trade today. And then the Savius accounts that we're also going to trade today with Nasdaq. Having a great time. Realistically, just, 200 EMA got confirmed earlier. We have a significant high-low structure here. Daily volume weighted average price gave its top notch. The whole thing looks really good, guys. Really good. The daily opening is above 25K. I think we're going all-time high this week. I mean, I think we already reached all-time high today, if I'm not wrong. So let me just share this presentation with all the community members pretty much everywhere. Make sure to do the same, guys. Let your friends know about we are live. All the trading groups, $50,000 in giveaways. You definitely want to join our Discord. For those of you that are fresh, we have our trading community on Discord. Good evening, guys. Great to see you. You definitely want to join. Like the video. Come on, let's go. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. It's not looking bad for a nice run-up. We have a little supply located around the 95. Exactly what we're dealing with right now. So first I'm going to trade 2 Ignite accounts. We actually have 6 in total. Massive discounts pretty much everywhere. Good morning from Belgium. Morning out there, Oliver. Humble Trader, Mr. Knife Art, Matt, Zill Badger, El Boldagun, Christoph. Hey, Massimiliano, look at that. Great guys out here. Frank. Yannick. Marco. Twister, wow. All the guys, yeah. Hope you guys had a great weekend like I had, as usually. A really balanced life. I'm a family guy in a lot of I like to spend my time as much as possible with my family. That's what I love doing, and I got the freedom of doing it. So we're having a great time on our Discord. You definitely want to be part of, especially if you want to join our giveaway today. Testing out a little long here. For a little wick above. I'm not requesting too much from here. Good morning, everyone. Hey. So, Join Discord right there. All the links for everything, guys. Pretty much everything can be found. Putting the stop loss. I'd like to put my stop loss on break even as soon as the market goes a little higher. I'm just gonna wait, I think, in the meantime. I think this should nicely grab that 93 for me to be able to put my stop loss on break even. Good to see you guys. We're having a stop loss at, yeah, the Ignite accounts. We're still trading the Ignite accounts. That's what we're started with. Our Ticktick trader is waiting for live. We got paid. We got a 10 grand paid. Funds were deducted. The accounts are no longer on pause. They will be set on pause soon when we start the onboarding process. Yeah, I mean, this 6 tap 1 or Ignite accounts are like the warm-up for trading. This is what we're using for warm-up. Yeah. Looks like we get a temporary reaction, but it's not radical here. Off. Bears absorbing. BTC sitting on $111,000. I think it's going to be a bullish week. And on top of that, I think it's going to be the last 2 weeks of October pretty bullish for Bitcoin. And we might be able to see all-time highs as soon as November, December, multiple all-time highs. Along with Ethereum all-time high in this last 2 months. So we're going to see more on that. What's up, guys? Come on. We have the 5 Sim Pro accounts on Tap 1 that we traded for the first day on Friday, and we made a great profit. 1,800, all the 5. That's going to be pretty exciting today. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you. I would have expected, basically, from the markets to give me a different pattern as an outcome. But I'm gonna long one of the Ignite accounts if we get somewhere around 84, 85 again. I don't know. Great to see you guys. Good morning, everyone. We are getting ready. Hopefully this week we're going to be moved on live. We don't really have that much going on other than CPI a little later by Friday. If we get CPI, oh, I'm exiting out of this trade. I don't like it. With a double rejection here, if it continues down this, could be a pretty problematic. Let me just wait a little more. I think we might be also dealing. This is an interesting target around 110. Nice. The buying pressure came in nicely after a double rejection. Pattern is still respected over here. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Like the video. Come on. So once again, you definitely know the links. We're trading right now Tap 1 futures. huge discount, 55% with their 6 months anniversary. We got the Ticktick trader as well, where we got 30 grand pounds and we're reached to the live trading stage, and we're getting that one set up. And also I'm going to share with you, so it's going to remain in the chat, the Savius links as well for you to be able to negotiate with that one too. Wow. Come on, let's go, guys. Make sure to like the video and bring up the numbers. The idea of the trade was good for the long side. Target would have been hit. We got that push in the last minute candle. Tap 1 futures is running an anniversary 55% with my code. Otherwise, they got the 50s. Yeah. You know, I still think this is going higher, guys.
Order filled.
Which is why I'm buying for a rejection here. Moving break even. Very tight.
Order filled.
We've touched that break even. We're laddering up. Yeah. Beautiful. So we're laddering up here. Currently dealing with a supply which is marked with a zone around this level, certainly. But we might break out. Right, so we do have here a form of supply that we're dealing with at the moment, and we might break out another long that has been digested by the break even. Look at that. Oh my god. The next thing I would be careful around, somewhere around 110. If I still believe in a long here, even though the 15 minute is significantly bullish, right? Going through all this supply pushing with credibility so far. Still 10 minutes to go and this candle could be denied. It has a flat opening there. Good sign. Market is in a pretty healthy condition right now. Pretty healthy condition. Hey. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you. Happy to see you. I'm so enthusiastic when I do the live streams. Like, I don't see this whole thing as any type of work or anything like that. It's just part of my life. Trading is part of the life already for 11 years, especially the swing trading. Day trading is something that we're doing since this year, and yes, extremely allergic to payouts, extremely allergic. I see the crypto market pumping, so that's why you see the dollars on my eyes. It's ringing on dollars. Not gonna be an easy breakout here. Look at that. No. The on-100s are sitting around, ready to defend. USD eyes, exactly. The dollar sign on my eyes. Right? Might be an interesting short here for a couple of points, but, you know, questioning to go in the opposite direction than the way the market makers are controlling this. Based on the price action, it's bullish, but look at that. Could test
Order
out
filled.
a little long here. Without requesting too much from it. Just slightly above 100s, right? Exactly, that's the gold zone. That's the golden pocket. Which is what we might get. And then it's dangerous out there. But still not the most comfortable once again in this situation, looks like. We lack continuation and we got stopped out from there. Missed the continuation. We got basically the daily loss. Look at this. No second candlestick in a row. No second green candle in a row taking us to the upside. Resistance rejects. That's how trading is. So simple, right? Every time you see resistance, you short. Every time you see support, you are buying. So we got two accounts connected. We are having stop loss here. You know, like I said, the Ignite accounts we got are to warm up. Really to warm up. $15-minute is bullish, 5-minute is still bullish.
Order filled.
Testing out 3 contracts long here. Putting the break even down the road. Keep going. 360 right there. We're not exposed on the full scale. On 5 minutes, no. 3 minutes break even, that's fine. Two points. 2 points above the previous wick. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. Make sure to like the video so we can bring up those numbers. Happy to see you on board. Come on, keep going,
Order
buddy.
filled.
Beautiful. Good target has been touched, 351. And look at that wick. There's so much liquidity out there. So much liquidity out there. Look at that wick. We're gonna do fireworks once I hit my target on $500, guys. We need 150 bucks more. Interesting. Interesting rejection out there. Wow.
Order
Testing
filled.
out a little long here on 2 contracts. All the way back in the wick, and that I'm expecting some beautiful. I'm out for
Order
the moment.
filled.
$100 secured. We need another $84 to touch the target, guys. $84. You know, we're at the place here where things could actually get back to retest the volume with an average price of the day, the daily VWAP, right? This is kind of the place that got rejected us, and we got into that VWAP. So if the pattern is still respected, we might follow through the same, even though we just broke below here. Total the liquidity out, managed to do a higher low, construct above, so we might take some things from the upper side right now, which would mean 110 up to 125, up to the tops we have here, right? Let's not forget about that one. Good day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining.
Order filled.
Testing out 2 contracts long. And $90 for my exit there. If this is breaking down, I'm selling. If this candle turns red, I'm selling. We might be able to see. Beautiful. Pretty dangerous here, guys. Look at that. We might be able to see gold retracing below 4,000. We might be able to see that. Oh, I put a break even there, but we had a little push. One
Order
tick
filled.
away from the take profit. One tick away, and it didn't got hit. Opening
Order
a short
filled.
here. Oh, look at that. It did open my short 1 point below the price listed. Yeah, it's potential. Oh my God, look at that. We're trading instant funded, which is not having activation fees, guys. Once again, make sure to join our Discord, our trading community. Well, oh.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this. Looks like Project X is working fine here. Really well. Look at that, guys. We have all the green lights. We got all the green lights in the world. Tab 1 Project X is top notch.
Order filled.
Added one more contract here.
Order
and
filled.
one more at the top. Oh, that was pretty strong, guys. Yep. That was pretty strong. Look at that. Expecting the rejection to step in. We have our stop loss set at minus $1,000 per day. But this is a pretty strong push. Yeah, you certainly have some problems with the data. Certainly.
Order filled.
And we touched daily stop loss. We went above the golden pocket and probably were testing the supplies in 120s, 125. Zero retracement from that possible reversal level. We got the pressure triggered. 15-minute looks brutal. Right. You have an engulfing at the bottom here. Below the VWAP. As soon as we got in, we've engulfed. Putting together a V-shaped recovery. Sits on the table. The Ignite accounts are having, you know, they're not having too much enthusiasm around the Ignite accounts. I care about my Simpro right now, which I'm about to trade a Simpro. This one. So we have 1,800 in the first day. And today the big deal is going to be around the Savius account. And of course we're waiting after we got paid from Ticktick Trader. We're waiting for the lock transition. So, let me set up 3 accounts. Look at that. This is the place where we could have a couple of ticks down. Right? But you see, I'm not crashing out. It's working fine. Couple of points down here.
Order filled.
So I can nicely scalp a little bit.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ooh. All the way back to the golden pocket. Look at that one.
Order filled.
The entry is not the best. Which is why I'm happy to
Order filled.
get out with $200 profit. I'm happy to do that. The reshort might be the option here with this candle, but I'm not doing it for the moment. So we got that little supply on 125 confirmed. Look at a 5-minute. Putting a limit order there. Another one higher. Couple of limit orders,
filled.
shorts right there. In case the market responds. I just move this a little higher this way. Welcome everyone.
Order
Good morning,
filled.
guys. 6 contracts filled up. Let's see what do we get right now. Canceling the other. We're fine with this 6 contracts. Let's see what do we get, guys. If this starts looking unbeatable, I don't want to be in a short from an unbeatable situation. I'm going to go break even pretty quickly, guys. You don't want to see another 20 points pump here. You don't want to see this one moving all the way back into 140s. So I'm going to go break even as soon as we are going below 120s. Alright? I have to do that, guys. I have to protect myself against any possible swing that becomes uncontrollable. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. And for the highest discounts on the prop firms, you can utilize Scramble coupon code. Come on. Cross that 20 so I can go break even and enjoy this ride. We're having $50,000 giveaway today from the Ticktick Trader Straight to Funder Plus accounts on the giveaway a little later on the live stream. Yeah. Time to go break even. Right? Time to go break even and pretty much enjoy. I'm out.
Order filled.
721, guys. That's good. If this is bullish, we might see a reaction here and a push higher. Right? If this is bullish, this might reverse and push higher. So I just got out of the trade. 721. We made $500 here. I still want to get to my target. We're copy trading on 3 accounts. Yep. Thank you guys. Hope you have a lovely day. And of course, a very important start of the week. With the right foot. Our Discord community is right here. Do we take this one all the way back to 100s? You know, there is going to be an interesting short around 126, but the problem I have with that is if this is so powerful here, capable, continuing after we have such rejection model, if this is still powerful to continue, I don't want to short. Trying to find a short after such continuation behavior and model is wrong, right? So I don't think there is an opportunity here to short. there might be an opportunity around the 50s. And then you get close to the all-time high. But if you're pushing basically from the 40s to the 150s, I wouldn't have a problem shorting the 150s. Yet I would have a problem if we would have pushed from 100s to the 150s. The movement would have been just 50 points, but this way the movement is more than 100 points. And certainly I don't have a problem shorting for 5 points, 6, 7 points, right? It's not an issue with that if we get there. Yet here, this is pretty unpredictable. Like, that's an ascending triangle you can do here with the lows putting pressure against the market. We might just simply have a pretty strong bullish day. Pretty strong bullish Monday. You know, we've been not enjoying such day for a while. Such Monday for a while. Cheers, everyone. Hope you have a beautiful day. We're cheering with Ticktick Trader that paid us $10,000 on Friday. And of course, we are getting ready to be moved on live because we have $12,000 in the live wallet threshold for the Ticktick Trader. That's how we managed to move $12,000. So we're going to start trading with $12,000, I assume. And we're going to have a good catch from there. We're going to have a good catch from there. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. A new round of people that join. 721. I'd like to make another 1 grand here. You see, this is still running. And this has the ability to keep going higher and higher. We got the flat hour opening in 10 seconds, so we might trigger some volatility to the upside. Watch me having a 36, 39. Might spike to those and then come back. Come on, just spike above. And then pull it back into the 20s. 37. Come on. You can spike there and pull it back. Then I'll show you a chart. Actually, I'm going to show you the chart right now. Wow, look at the gold. Like, what happened with gold since the opening is just... Not really since the opening, but for the past 2 hours... Gold got a pretty strong pump. I think the, big players are still going to start selling around. Thinking about a local top here between the 400s and the 500s. I'd like to see gold
Order
at
filled.
least back
Order
to the
filled.
4,000 and eventually even below 4,000. It needs that movement for...
Order filled.
We got triggered on 9 minis. Saw the NQ price section around the 38, so let's see what's happening with our entry. Still capable holding around. Look at this 1 minute push. You know, as soon as I get some money, it's too risky to be in shorts, as it looks like. As soon as I get some profits that are paying something, I'm gonna be out of this. I'm not gonna wait for anything substantial. 420 right there. Having a nice wick. If I get it, we might not get anything. No, we didn't broke all-time high today. Actually, all-time high is close to the 400s. We have a massive supply here, guys. If we break this supply 140, 150, which from the way it looks like today, look at this. You could expect a pretty strong move all the way into the 350s. Wow, look at that, guys. There's a triple top here, and the market is pushing right now with energy pretty close to the whole supply.
Order filled. Order filled.
The first red candle should give us a couple of nice points. And simply, if it's not coming, I'm just gonna go break even or have a small loss. 2 red candles in a row here would actually set us nicely. This is already a place where supply steps in. Told you 145, 150s, 140s. And I'm not saying we're not bullish today, but for the moment here, a couple of points might be on the table. Might be. Blessing you, brother. Morning, everyone. Good day, Jimmy. Good day, everyone. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's see if the temporary stop we have here has the ability also for a little continuation again. We're not dreaming anything spectacular from the bears, certainly not. Absolutely, come on. It's not looking bad for the moment, certainly not. But we need more than just a
Order filled.
flat top. Certainly, come on, distribute more. The more time we spend here in a flat way, the better I think the liquidity is going to be grabbed. And that could easily be done from my level. Putting the break even quite soon, right now. Come on. 1 point, guys. 1 point.
Order filled.
Oh, the break even has been touched. What the? Like, this one should have went to my target. Should have gone to my target. Like, what's wrong with the Project X today, guys? Look at that. $135. Oh my god. This one's supposed to go to my target. We got 22 minutes to go. From my understanding, the target has been touched, yet they triggered my break even for some reason. Looks like Project X is having a certain issues for the servers today. Do we have an official update on that? Like it never happened so far for the past 6 months, something like this. I do have to find a solution. We've made some money. Look at that. The hourly looks really good, guys. You just cannot deny here the possibility for us to get back into 315 today. But I'm going to ask you a question. Chat, listen to me. I'm going to ask you a question in the pool. Do we get... Let me think about 25,500s. 25,500s. There's 2 weeks left. 10 business days, basically. 25,500. It's not a big deal, right? But let's put it that way. This week. On Nasdaq. On NQ. Right? Let me know what you guys think about. I just made a poll. Feel free to respond with yes or no. Do we get 25,500s? Do we get that one? Which would actually mean all-time high for the NQ this week. Expecting to be more than 70% on yes. Expecting that one from the way the chart is looking like. But we know the chart is hiding something, guys. Is hiding something because it's not knowing the upcoming external news that will affect the markets. This is what the charts are always hiding from us. Yeah, this is a pretty interesting situation here. How we have been crashing during that day, where the crypto just got nuked, and then you had a pretty strong double bottom with a nice supply breakout here on 25,150s. Could actually load it up for an all-time high. You guys want to see that this week? I'm expecting at least 70% of you to say yes. A massive question out there, huge question out there, guys, exactly. Big, big question. Wow. Did you get upset with that? Or did you thought I'm going to ask you something around philosophy or theology, right? No, no. We're not going to... Interesting. Interesting point here on Nasdaq. But I still have to wait a little more, guys. It's 20 minutes and the market opens. Massive, huge, exactly. Tremendous. Anthropology and any other science that we are interested about. Yet the market makers today, they are hunting my stream. As we're already used, guys. We're certainly used to that. And we're fighting our way through the whole process. Come on. It's interesting to see a continuation here down. It's interesting. We got 6 candles of 1 minute, clearly showing that rejection above 142, clearly. And I'm putting together for a little short here. Hopefully at this time, we're not going to get tricked by Project X.
Order filled.
Adding more to this.
Order filled.
And another one. I don't want to get tricked today by Project X with this one. Exactly. Now they're taking it on new avenues that we don't know about. But look at that one, guys. So let me show you the proof. I'm moving break even here. And look at that.
Order filled.
Break even has been hit. Break even has been hit, guys. Welcome to the new avenues of scams, right? Oh, we're joking, guys. I mean, we're having a good time. What a good time, right? And if I say, you think I'm joking with the market makers, but look at that, guys. And now it's going to drop all the way to 120s.
Order filled.
I'm testing out this specific trade. Right, 160 loss. I don't mind with that one. I'm testing for a continuation here. 165 loss. Come on. And bring it down to the 520s. That's a good risk and reward ratio. You guys will love it. The ones that are searching such numbers. Yeah. Well, at least we're joking out here together. Make sure to like the video, guys. We got 50k on the giveaway. 50k. This is, you know, free money, right? $50,000 on the street. Think about. Putting right above the wick of this candle. 120 max for the loss. That's what I'm willing to give for 500
Order
profit.
filled.
And our stop loss has been filled, but the price section did not even move. Look at that. Where's the price right now, guys? We don't even know. Because this is stuck. This is stuck, guys. On 133, we got stopped out. We don't even know. Where is the price right now? Could be at 50,000 on Nasdaq or 80,000, right? We don't even know. Oh, it just wicked up to 35. Now it's back. Wow. And now it's going to my target that I had, right? No, you have to wait. Wait a little bit. You gotta wait a little bit. You should only trade if you want to get rid of the accounts. If you don't want to get rid of the accounts, do not trade. So if you want to change your accounts for something else in terms of higher size and you're blocked because you're maxed out, you trade them today. You want to buy different sizes, but you're maxed out, right? Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. 50 grand on the streets today for the giveaway, which is going to happen on the live stream as usually. You got to like the video, join the Discord, get subscribed. Let's get the business going. We're going to trade our Quant Tower with Savia soon. We've got 700 bucks here. Could have a little more. Like, you might be bullish here right now. For a move into the 40s. Someone could say, why not, right? Someone could say, why not? All the way into the 40s.
Order filled.
Let me see if I can catch something here. Putting the break even. 435 into front running the 40s. Give me that boy. I like to see once in a while, and for real, Project X delivering a nice take profit based on their server problems. Why is it not happening
Order
also
filled.
this way? We got stopped out. But now it was legit, right? Now it was legit. Can't complain. Might be a joke, Matt. Might be a joke. Do you think they will refund in real cash money? So I should prepare my bank account and I would be able to lose, like on sim funded, maybe $1 million. So I'm waiting from a sim funded account trading cash money, right? Do you think that's the way they're going to refund in cash? Bank transfer, cryptos? That's a good transition, right, guys? Think about. I don't know if that's real. And I'm not going to hope about that one. Trading and hoping, you know, that's that strategy. I'm saying it because people love it. I don't think you get anything, guys. Just chill out, relax. Watch me trading and taking the risks here in front of you. And have fun while I lose. Nah, we're joking, right? Yeah, extremely. I'm gonna get rich if Ethereum is, you know, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 12,000. That's the time I'm gonna call myself a pretty rich boy. So we got to the target which I had earlier and along. We got to it. Like, this is the 4th target we're touching today while I'm no longer in the trade. No cash refund. Oh, pretty sad about that one, right? Thought I was, you know, optimistic and we would get a cash refund. If we lose 5K today from a sim funded account, we would actually get $5,000 in our bank accounts. I mean, that makes sense, right? It's down or not, I don't know. Like, if I would have had a long here, I would have made money, right? The risk is if you're making money today, it might just be wiped out as well. Make sure to like the video, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. 50 grand for the giveaway. It's gonna be here. Oh, so probably I should not refresh my screen because we might not see Project X functioning. Might just disappear with that one. I'm fully loaded up here, guys. I'm just waiting for a nice entry. And I'm also waiting for Bitcoin hitting 150 grand. Solana hitting around $400. Ethereum 12,000. And we can celebrate. Market opens in a couple of minutes. I think we're gonna re-attack, basically. I just placed a market order right now. And it took a couple of seconds to be. Let's just take the wicks there, guys. Let's just take those wicks out. Let's just push the price up and fill up the short orders people have. And while I'm exiting, providing exit liquidity. Putting the break even there. Come on. You don't want to die from there. Now let me get
Order
out of
filled.
this. $1,000 there for the moment. We still want to do 800 bucks, guys. Yeah. But I'm gonna move that. I'm gonna move that. Like the sell order from 7,000 could be moved. You gotta drop me a message. Drop me a message. You might send that message to someone else or some... Oh, beautiful. There's pretty strong supply here on the 153. Right before the opening, we are playing with these levels. This is not an easy moment. I'm gonna adjust, guys, all the limit orders on the selling side for the Ethereum. Depends when are we gonna get to that 7K and where does the whole market sits. Where are we in the capital movement cycles? Beautiful.
Order filled.
Give me a little wick here. Just a little bit, guys. A little wick to the upside. I'll move my break even soon. There you go. We're break even. And I'm
Order
out.
filled.
200 bucks. It's fine. This is a dangerous level here. And we're slowly laddering ourselves to the target of 1,800. Or I could just, you know, stop here and enjoy. We still want to trade Savius today. So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to lock myself out. I just did lock myself out. 1,200 on 3 accounts is about $3,600. It's basically the second day. It's the second day, right? I'm gonna connect my other two Simpro. 36 and 61 on the end. 36 and 61 on the tail. Let's go. Make some money over here. Sad, told you it's dangerous. Dangerous. So let me just read through your messages. Lucky Trading Hub. No. Tap on Futures did not remove the microscalping rule. I haven't seen that to be removed, guys. If there's any news that are fresh, just let me know, but I haven't seen anything. The microscalping is still there. I did defeat it great today. Certainly. Until when is the 55% discount for the tap on futures? They said for a week with possibilities of extension. Yeah. You can use volume at average price and 200 EMAs for gold trading. It did function. Yep. Yeah, so the suggestion basically for Project X today is to enjoy your day without trading. Relax a little bit because simply there is an out gate which is affecting their servers. Make sure to like the video, guys. We're sleeping around the same level of likes for the past 20 minutes. Come on, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Bunch of people out here. Bunch of people that joined recently. Let's go, guys. Come on. Pretty decent pullback from here. It's not a surprise. 3 minutes to go. Could nicely lead us into 100s or, 90s. And then have a stronger move from there. Might get a couple of points to the upside from here as a temporary effect. I'm not trading it. I got my quantile ready, guys. I'm gonna be very aggressive on quantile. Trust me, today I'm not gonna play games. We're not gonna play games tomorrow, today on quantile. Boom. Boom, boom. We're sliding into a bloodbath. I just got into... this is lagging so hard, guys. We got into earlier on 5 contracts market order and it did not even appear on my screen. Like, the execution is totally missing from what I'm able to discover. I don't even know if this is going to be executed or not. But we got in a market order 5 contracts around here. Around this level, 126, guys. We're going to switch from Quantower. We're going to switch to Quantower. There you go. And trade our accounts at this point. I'm going to double check my top 1 futures if they want to run my order at some point to be aware about. Trader, it's 5% on Savius, 5% for the target. It's $256 for the Savius. That's what I'm trading on Quantower, the Savius accounts. Let me just put up the great Halloween banner for Savius. 150k costs $256, guys. Add a little more to this and there's not much to go. We have 8 minis. 20 seconds to go. I'm waiting for a form of reaction. Putting the stop loss there. And we're triggering the opening bell. There you go, guys. The market is opening. And I'm out. We made money. We hit the target, everyone. Finally. We hit the target, $1,488 right there. Fireworks time, celebration time. Hey, we traded the opening with 8 minis. Hitting the target here. We need $2,000 more for the target. Oh, look at that explosion. It's out of the woods, 50 points to the upside. Oh, look at the top 1 futures, guys. My trade has been executed on top 1 futures. Look at this. Let me change the screen for you guys. Look at that. I didn't even knew. Look at the top 1 futures, guys. So they got into my trade with a massive lag, and we made $4,000 without even knowing. 5 grand. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm out of this trade.
Order filled.
And it worked. So we made 5,800 without even knowing about that one. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Impressive, guys. Amazing. I'll take it down. Of course, I cannot leave it like this. Because I have consistency, right? And the Sim Pro are not consistency. They're equity stability score. Equity stability score. I'm gonna take this one down to 1,800. Without even knowing, right? So I just switched from Tap on Futures, and you saw that, into Quant Tower without having anything open. And I told you, I did click on a market order before, and nothing got triggered. So you see, with all the problems on their servers, it got me right. Where's the fireworks? Where's the fireworks show? Oh, there you go. 5,800. We're going to have a beautiful round of fireworks as soon as we lose this money. Whoa. There you go. You want to see some nice gambling, right? Let me show you some nice gambling. Where is that account? Here's this, you know, we got this accounts. Let me show you. It's not even loading. Tap one. Look at that. My stats are not even loading, guys. There's no possibility for me to show you anything. But we got some money there. Oh, look at that. So I have to lose. What should I trade, guys? I have to lose. What should I trade? Yeah. What should I trade right now? Make sure to like the video. Oh my God. We got to lose $4,000. We have to lose that. But the problem is, if I lose $4,000 because this is trailing, look at that, it's gone. Because this is trailing, guys. My max loss is so close to me. If I lose $4,000 because this is trailing, I'm going to lose the accounts. I cannot lose because this is trailing drawdown. The Sim Pro accounts are trailing drawdown. And the drawdown is already calculated from here. So I cannot lose. Oh my God. And this is because Project X. So the whole thing right now turned against me, guys. What a silly situation. Look at that. I cannot lose. Can you guys see what's my max loss? It has been brought up because it's trailing. Makes no sense right now to lose. I'll have to produce 5,800 every day. No other positive ways, guys. You see the market makers are here on the live stream, guys. This is the clear proof. And you keep saying that market makers do not care about us. They will wipe it clean for me. Now, this is an interesting challenge, guys. It's pretty an interesting challenge. 5,861 times 5. Do the math. 5,861 times 5. We need to do $29,000. My first impulse was with the great winning, but now I'm kind of sorry about myself, right? I can talk to Project X, but then I'm not going to have any possibilities to have this challenge in front of you guys. It's 2 accounts. Yeah, they should fix it for me, guys. But let me think about it, because this is interesting. I could do this challenge trying to make $5,000 every day. Or bring the account to 29,305. What do you guys think? The only problem here is that the trailing is following me. Is not leaving me alone. We just have $7,600 profit across the board, and the trailing is still following me. It did not got stuck at the original size of the account. You know, if I lose 2,000, the drawdown is going to be $2,000 away from me. And I still have a 3,800. Like, what's that? 3,800 times 5. It's $10,000 less to be earned. You know, I can keep it as a challenge, like I said. It's 2 accounts. It's not a dramatic thing for me. I can digest this financially. It's a challenge that is requiring me to be trading seriously, right? It's a challenge engaging me. You know, on this Sim Pro accounts, the trailing only stops at the first pound. The end of the day accounts for the Tap Money futures, your trailing would have stopped at the original balance. But on the Sim Pro, which is intraday, it's not end of the day. Trailing stops only when you go for a pound. Right? So if this account would have been end of the day drawdown, the trailing would have stopped at the original balance. Alright guys, so you know, I'm trying to do this 5,000 bucks. But the problem is the trailing. That's the only concern I have here, the 4,400 bucks trailing. And I think the accounts are also having some daily losses as well, like 3,700 or stuff like that. Or maybe no daily loss, but it's 2 accounts, so the whole thing is stuck here. Meanwhile, the market is exploding. Look at that. We're on 220s. We've been talking about today how bullish this is, and we got back to the golden pocket, by the way. Beautiful pullback. And then we just managed to do like 100 points. Certainly not out of the blue. Watch gold coming down. And I like to see what's happening with the dollar, but should get below 98 this week. Beautiful, guys. Let's just wrap up the things with a giveaway right now. Let me just get things ready. You know, we made money on Quant Tower. We only need $2,000 more there. And we're ready to collect the payouts with Savius. On Quant Tower, we trade Savius. Alright guys, so how do you participate? Like the video. Come on. Be subscribed. Wait. Do not write anything. Do not write anything. Wait. Like the video. Be subscribed. And join our Discord. All the links, you can find them on my channel for all the companies that we're working with. The coupon code is Scramble pretty much everywhere. Feel free to use that. Once again, guys, like the video. This is only one giveaway today for Ticktick Trader. Ticktick Trader, keep in mind, has country restrictions. If you have that limitation, you are requested not to join. Let's go, guys. Start. You can let me know your numbers. Good luck, everyone. Come on. Let's go. Good luck, guys. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more. That's it, guys. It's over. We can stop right there. We're going to shuffle this 1, 2, 3 times, and we're good to go, guys. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. $50,000 straight to funded plus. Beautiful. Beautiful. If you're guessing between the start and ending command, you're part of the game. If you're guessing afterwards, you're not part of the game. We have a double 5 coming up. Do we stop there? I don't think so. That's going to be a 0, guys. Yeah, that's going to be a 0. There you go. We got you. We got you on 0, guys. The market makers of the wheel are listening to me and putting together nice numbers. So let's get to the duck race. Congratulations. Congratulations for guessing that one. I think there's going to be between 20 to 30. Between 20 to 30. But we're going to find it out soon. Oh, 19. 19. Competing for a single minute, guys. Shuffle. 19 competing for a single minute, which means more than 5% chance for you to win. That's a big one, guys. Who's out here? Who's out here pushing? Genius. It's quite early on that. Come on. It's quite early on that. Genius. Lucky Trading Hub. That's not gonna be the solution. 15 seconds. Things will change. Son of a Greek. Nah. You're too quick for the moment. Someone is gonna come from behind. Lucky Trading Hub. A purple one, looks like. Is actually really good. Congratulations. The Grandford Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus. Lucky Trading Hub. We got you. We got you. There you go. I think this is not your first time. This is not your first time winning in our show. Hey, thank you guys once again for joining. Appreciate it. Wish you a tremendous week. Outstanding week. Tremendous. Relentlessly, we're gonna go for the targets. I'm gonna go for that challenge, guys, on $5,000. I'm not giving up that early. Although I have the solution to right tap on futures and sort it out. We're deleting this trade, and somehow we got the proof because it was on the stream, and we all saw that nothing has been triggered. Yeah. We just got surprised with $5,000 in the account. However, I'll take this as a sign, and I'll just do whatever it has to be done by achieving the challenge in the way it is. So we are $2,000 away from Savio's payout. Pretty good. That's just about 2 trading days, and that account has been going back and forth for a while. However, we got really pretty nice today, guys. Enjoying the stream. Thank you once again. Have a beautiful day, guys. Have a lovely time. Tomorrow we're going to have 2 giveaways. Congratulations for the winner. Reach out to us on Discord. Any discount, anything, you know. Scramble coupon code. We'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.